Welcome to another Speak Tagalog language learning lesson. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, speaking to you over the video. In Tagalog, kumusta po kayo? Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, na nagsasalita po sa likod ng video na ito. In English, how are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, speaking to you over the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, who I am, author, writer of 22 books, university professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor. And you will find all my 22 books. The first one is Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. For those of you who are asking what those are, BSED means Bachelor of Science in Education. I studied and graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines. From elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation with all my brothers and sisters. After graduation, I was recommended by my university professor to be a university professor as well. And she was the teacher of my youngest sister in high school as we studied there at the University of the East from elementary, high school, all the way to college graduation. Thanks be to God and to my beloved parents who love us, work hard to make something beautiful. And if I could say, my dad was a USA stenographer, typist at the USA airport for so many years, and my dad was elected twice town leader when he retired, top-notcher, as well as my mom, the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown as well. MSCD, Master of Science in Education. I graduated at Fordham University here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. And you will notice this little board right there. ABC, Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher. It's a gift from my students. Yes, it's a gift, and I received so many gifts from my students. And this board is really so cute, isn't it? And she is our school valedictorian, and she is a Filipino, born in New York City, here in the USA, where I am. And all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at outskirtspress.com, Amazon, all bookstores, online stores globally, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. I invite you all to visit my two websites. And now, I would like to thank as well all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And let's see here our cute Christmas tree. We're going to move it a little bit, one of the branches. Today we're going to study verb conjugations. Verb in Tagalog is pandiwa. Pandiwa. First syllable pan, second syllable di, third syllable wa. The accent is in the second syllable. Pandiwa. So we say pandiwa. Pandiwa. In English, it's verb. Conjugation, whether it is plural or singular without S, it means one word, pagbabanghay. Pagbabanghay. First syllable pag, second syllable ba, third syllable bang, excuse me please, fourth syllable hay. The accent is in the third syllable, pagbabanghay. Excuse me, please. Pagbabanghay. The accent is in the fourth syllable. Pagbabanghay. Pagbabanghay. That's conjugation in English. And when we conjugate in Tagalog, kapag tayo ay nagbabanghay ng pandiwa, we have root word. Root in Tagalog, ugat. 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 First syllable, u. Second syllable, gat. The accent is in the second syllable, ugat. 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 That's root. And word is in Tagalog, salita. Salita. First syllable, sa. Second syllable, li. Third syllable, ta. The accent is in the third syllable, salita. 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 So, root is ugat. Word is salita in Tagalog. Example, halimbawa. Root word or salitang ugat o ugat salita or salitang ugat, sulat. Sulat. That means when you're writing, sulat. Past tense, yung nakaraan in the past, nakaraan. In Tagalog, nakaraan. Past in English, nag-sulat. We have the affix, nag-sulat. We have the panlapi. The panlapi is the affix, nag, and then you add the root word, ugat, salita, sulat. Nag-sulat. That's the past tense, nagsulat. In English, wrote. Present tense, sa kasalukuyan, we have the affix or panlapi in Tagalog, nag. Nagsusulat. Nagsusulat. The present tense, kasalukuyan, we have the affix or panlapi, nagsusulat. First syllable, nag. Second syllable, su. Third syllable, su. Fourth syllable, lat. The accent is in the third syllable, nag. Excuse me, please. The accent in the second syllable, nagsusulat. 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 That's present tense. And in the future, mag-susulat. The affix or panlapi is mag. Mag-susulat. First syllable, mag. Second syllable, su. Third syllable, su. Fourth syllable, lat. The accent is in the second syllable, mag-susulat. 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 That's the future. Mangyayari pa lang in Tagalog, future. Imperative sentence, the affix or panlapi is mag-sulat. Mag-sulat. Let's review that. It's a little bit confusing, isn't it? Verb conjugations. In Tagalog, verb is pandiwa. Pandiwa. Conjugations in Tagalog, pagbabanghay. First syllable, pag. Second syllable, ba. Third syllable, bang. Fourth syllable, hay. The accent is on the first syllable, pagbabanghay. 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 That's conjugations. And we have the root word. When we conjugate, o in Tagalog, kapag tayo nagbabanghay, we have root word. Root in Tagalog, ugat. Word is salita in Tagalog. Salitang ugat. We have the root word. Example, halimbawa, sulat. Writing. Sulat. Past tense, nakaraan. We have the affix, panlapi, nagsulat. Nagsulat. That's the past tense. The affix or panlapi is nag. Sulat. present tense kasalukuyan, nagsusulat. Nagsusulat. The affix or panlapi in Tagalog is nag. In the present tense, nagsusulat. In the future tense, the affix or panlapi is mag. Magsusulat. Magsusulat. And the imperative, magsulat. Magsulat. And I hope that you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, the author, writer of 22 books. The first one is Speak Tagalog, available worldwide at Amazon, ElskirtsPress.com, all bookstores worldwide, online stores globally, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com. The second website of mine is JuanitaGutierrez.com. I would like to take this opportunity to give my love, light, and gratitude, first of all, to our I Am God presence within our heartbeats. God is in us. And to my beloved parents, all my brothers and sisters and their own families, as I am the only single in the family, that's why I'm able to write 22 books. And I would like to say thank you, love, light, and gratitude to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And in Tagalog, marami pong salamat sa lahat ng mga nagsusubaybay at tumatangkilik sa aking mga video, unang-una sa may kapal at sa aking mga magulang at sa lahat ng aking mga kapatid po at kanilang pamilya. Ako lamang po ang dalaga sa amin, kaya po nakapagsusulat po ako ng 22 aklat. At salamat po sa aking mga taga-subaybay muli sa walang sawa po ninyong pagtangkilik. Pagpalain po tayo ng may kapal sa liwanag at pag-ibig at maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon po sa lahat. In English, Merry Christmas and the happiest of New Year's 2026 to all of us. Love, light, and gratitude to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. Speak Tagalog. Learn a language besides your own for diplomacy, friendship, and travel. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Enjoy your day as always.